Welcome back. This is All Set Tesla. We are here to do a video of how to turn off our humming sound when you turn on your reverse and when you turn on when you're going forward. Not turn on, when you're going forward. Okay, a friend of mine did a research how to turn it off and how to turn it on. Today we're going to demonstrate it. We're going to try it if it does work and see if it sounds better. Wait, there is no sound. Here we go. Welcome. Here we go. This is a hit or miss. First, what we need is flathead. Second, you need to turn the wheel to your left, going in towards the car. So this is how it should look. Then there's 3 tabs that you need to pull out. 1, 2, and 3. Zoom out. 3. Okay? All right. Let's get it going. What's up? Second and third. Oh, that's too hard. Alright. 3. 1, 2, 3. Then just pull this out, and there is the wire. That is the speaker, and there's your wire. Okay, let's pull it out. So there you go, it's pulled out. We're gonna cover this with the electrical wire. It's pulled out right now. Let's do a test. So there you have it. No sound, no humming sound, no more annoying sound. But is it safe? Maybe not. It is not safe. We're gonna keep this for a week. We'll try it out, see what the difference is, and we'll wrap it up. Before we end it, let's talk about what I think about it. I think it's nice. You know, I took delivery of this car with the humming sound. And people are looking at me weird, or they think it's something else. I don't know what they're thinking, but I knew it when I got it that's gonna be on it. But the problem is, I can't really live with it. But 2020, I'm pretty sure there will be a law that they're gonna pass it, that a Tesla should have some type of sounds when going on reverse and going on certain speed moving forward. Meaning maybe 10 miles, it will have that humming sound or hissing sound. And maybe after 11, 12, 20, whatever it is, it just shuts down. But for now, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna see. I really like it. It's quiet. It's a true stealth mode, you know. And then plus 0 to 60 with that. That'd be great. Stay tuned for another video. That's all I got for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, help this channel out, comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.